Hi, so in this video, I will tell you about how we can revert our migration to the existing one. For example, we have number of migrations here. Last, I have added this migration in which I have updated the company, two fields, name and address from 100 to from max to 100. I'm limiting the type so user can add only 100 characters and 200 characters for address. But is because of our new requirements, it is not necessary for this. So I'm going to revert this migration to my older migration, which is versioning, where I've added the versioning to the company. So how we can revert this migration to this migration, we'll learn in this video. So first of all, what we have to do, I'm hoping everybody knew about the fundamentals. So let's jump this. So what we gonna do first? First, we are going to update our database with this migration by using this command. If I go to my migration table and see, we have three migrations. Once I ran this migration, which is update database to our existing migration, then what happened? It will update our database with this migration that we applied to our uh, tables. So now you can see the company migration is gone. Now what happened? The migration is updated in our database, but it is present in our code base. So this is the migration that we need to remove as well. So how we can do that? Once this migration done successfully, then you have to write just remove migration. And this our model snapshot is updated with that migration, and and the last migration is also removed from our code base. If you can see the this migration, we have only this migration changes in our context model snapshot. In the database, you can also check our database migration table is reverted to that update company with version, and all the tables are also reverted to that. See, name still have and where can max. So this is how our migrations, how we can revert our migrations into a database. That is all. Thank you very much.